The Betka winds through gum tree shade, where paper bark and bracken fade. No fences here, just open ways. The bush alive from last night's rains.
It snakes past roots and leaning logs, past green tree frogs and mourning dogs. You feel it deep, you hear its hum, still rolling long after the storm is done.
The Betka River keeps on rolling through the scrub and past the sand. It don't ask why, don't make a sound, just delivers rain to ocean land. From hillside mist to salt sea foam, it never questions where it's going. The Betka River keeps on rolling all the way home.
There's color in the creek today, the tannin rich, the driftwood gray. You smell the rain still in the track, that sweet bush scent that brings you back.
The autumn light, it warms the skin. The banks breathe deep and draw you in. You see Gable Island far and clear, like the river knows it's heading near. The Betka River keeps on rolling through the scrub and past the sand. It don't ask why, don't make a sound, just delivers rain to ocean land. From hillside mist to salt sea foam, it never questions where it's going. The Betka River keeps on rolling all the way home.
With all that mud. And now the mouth, all open wide, spills out its story to the tide. No drama here, just final grace, a river's truth in ocean's face.
Still autumn gold, still air so clean, still life that glows where rain has been. No need to speak, just stand and see, it's all been flowing patiently. The Betka River keeps on rolling through the bush and out to blue. It don't look back, it don't hold tight, it carries sky and carries you. From hillside mist to salt sea foam, it never questions where it's going. The Betka River